What's up, you little polylops? I won't be here for the next few days. I leave at the butt crack of dawn tomorrow for Chicago. We're photographing a wedding downtown, but I shall return on Saturday. So please don't miss me too terribly. Typewriter Series number 459. It's another one of these, here's your wheat paper. It's buckskin. I don't like that color. There's some fuzziness on the side. Whatever. Here we go. How appropriate, I thought to myself, that our ancestors measured life and measured age and the passing of time and the number of winters that had been endured. Only through the frost and the freeze can we truly fall in love with the warmth. It takes the juxtaposition, you see, to make you really appreciate things. I love you a lot. I'll see you soon. Don't miss me too desperately.